Discover your path to financial freedom with affiliate marketing. Congratulations on leaping to explore the possibilities of starting an online home-based business. Imagine a life where financial worries didn't dictate your choices. Your dreams of breaking free from paycheck to paycheck cycle, embracing the future where bills ain't the source of stress but merely a formality. Based on your answers, the best type of business for you is an affiliate marketing digital business. Consider Jane's story. She worked a job timelessly and barely provided enough to cover for her expenses, never mind her own dreams. Feeling trapped by the constraints of the traditional job, Jane sought an alternative way to control her financial destiny. That's when she stumbled upon affiliate marketing, a path that opened the door to financial independence. With the proper knowledge, taking the right action, you can make this possibility a reality for you and your family. Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing holds the key. It's a low startup cost. Begin where you're at without the financial burdens that normally accompany starting a business. No product creation. Focus solely on promoting existing products without the hassle of manufacturing or development. Flexible schedule. Enjoy the luxury of setting your own hours, working with the people that you want, prioritizing what truly matters to you. Passive income. Potential. Embrace while you're learning. Actively working and allowing yourself to pursue what you want when you want. Diversify your income sources. Expand your financial stability by promoting various products and diversifying your income stream. Scarceability. Grow your business without constraints, typically associated with traditional venues, allowing for expansion. Reach global access, global market, extending your earning potential across the borders with minimal risk. Engage in the venture with lower financial risk, fostering an environment for experimentation and learning. Continuous learning opportunities. Stay ahead of the learning curve, adapting and evolving trends and strategies. Freedom from independence. Attain the liberty to lead your life on your terms, breaking away from financial limitations. Our exclusive offer. Now imagine yourself on this transformational journey towards financial freedom. You're uncovering the immense potential of affiliate marketing, aligning perfectly with your aspirations for your life, less burdened by financial constraints. We're excited to extend an invitation to our group coaching program. In our group coaching program, you will see guidance on identifying profitable niches, create a robust presence online, implementing marketing strategies, maximizing profit through affiliate partnerships, and much, much more. Limited spots are available, so act now to secure your spot and embark on the journey of financial liberation. Join our group coaching program, sign up now, and initiate your transformation towards a life where financial worries no longer dictate your choices. We're thrilled to have you aboard and welcome to our community of inspiring entrepreneurs ready to harness the incredible potential of affiliate marketing. Let's collaborate to script your success story and build a thriving online business that supports your life that you envision. Here's to empowering your journey towards financial independence.